The extensive coordinated Centron range of devices covers all applications between 16 amperes and 6300 amperes with compact and air circuit breakers. They are used for switching and protecting motors, capacitors, generators, transformers, bus bars and cables. Here are some of the components of Centron 3WL air circuit breaker. Click each component name to know more about it. Guide frame. Guide frame is a frame in which the air circuit breaker is held intact. Air circuit breakers are equipped with displays where the signal status can be read. An electronic trip unit is a programmable device which opens the circuit in the event of a thermal overload, short circuit or ground fault. The rated current module is an exchangeable module which allows the user to reduce the rated device current so as to adapt it optimally to the plant. The operating mechanism is used to load the storage spring automatically. The closing solenoid is used to close the circuit breaker electrically by means of a local electric on command or by a remote unit. Breaker status sensor is an integrated circuit device that measures the internal breaker temperature, monitors breaker main contact position, open or closed, bell alarm status, shunt trip status, breaker ready to close and closing spring charged status. External cubicle bus modules enable the WL circuit breaker a way to interface with external switchgear controls or building management systems. The COM15 device acts as an interface between the WL breaker and the information environment. The COM16 device enables the WL breaker to be connected to any Modbus master network. The breaker data adapter or BDA is a microcomputer with an embedded Linux operating system running a web server application. Air circuit breakers have two versions: fixed mounted version and withdrawable version. Withdrawable units allow simple and comfortable grounding. They are simply inserted into the guide frames in place of the corresponding withdrawable circuit breakers. This ensures that these devices are always first connected with the grounding electrode and then with the components to be grounded. Let's view the steps to withdraw air circuit breaker. Confirm the status of air circuit breaker or ACB. Press red button to open the air circuit breaker. Wait for the status indicator to turn green. Confirm that air circuit breaker is open. Extend the racking handle. Rotate the handle anti-clockwise. Rotate until ACB body is fully withdrawn. Click any of the steps to view the animation related to the step.